So today I'm going to be swapping carburetors. One of these. Well, putting a new one on. The first step, take the engine cover off. 10mm bolts. Bang, there it is. Usually I'm just taking carburetors off. I don't usually have to put them back on. This time I do, so I actually have to be really careful. Remember where all this stuff goes and how it's set up, so I don't mess it up when I go to put it back on. But oh, the grass is wet. This off should just pull right off. I have found the easiest way to do this is, of course it's not a 10mm. Why wouldn't it be? Alright, so what I've found, the easiest way to do this is to, I'm gonna kill myself. You've got to be kidding. Seriously? I mean, what? Alright. And believe it or not, there's actually more you have to do once you get those nuts off. You gotta get a thing here and then just go on there and crank those studs off too. Yeah, just like that. This is how God intended. Okay. And now what I was saying, it'll be easier. Come on. Be easier to get this off. Of course, gotta get that fuel line off first. Here it is. This is very important. So what I did, this linkage is on it, you just bend it, get it out. Take the fuel line off, put one of the bolts from the plastic engine cover in there, put the clamp on it so it doesn't leak. But before you do that, it's very important. You gotta let it leak about 1/4 of a tank on your hands. But before you do that, you wanna grab something real sharp to get this plug off with and accidentally cut yourself. And then let the gas leak on your hands, right? It'll wake you right up. And now we got this off. So I'm gonna go get the other one off, the other engine, and swap them out. All right, here's the one we're gonna be using for the swap. It has a bad engine, needs a piston, but I ain't doing all that. And this is probably the same carburetor. Oh, that's different. Okay, it's not the same carburetor. Well, let's go look again. So they're basically the same. The only difference I'm noticing is the fuel line location, which isn't a big deal at all. Yeah, I think they're the exact same actually. I mean, yeah, it's the same. Worst comes to worst, I can just swap solenoids. Oh, good, that's bent. Different stud style on this one. Don't want to mess the actual carb up because we actually got to use this one. Okay, that one's fine. Oh, don't mind that. A little bit of extracurricular there. It had to be done. Onwards and upwards. You're messing with me right now, right? You know what? That's why we bring pliers. We're not using these studs. Yep, just like that. I know I might be here for a while. Should have just bought a new one. Oh, man. Bang. Man, it's pretty good. Oh my God, the gas smells terrible. Oh, that's not good. Oh man. Smells like dookie, dude. And you can't take this bowl off? You can take this one off. What in the white world of Christmas is going on here? Hey! Oh, that's fine. Thinking I should just buy a new one. Like 25 bucks on the Amazon. Smells like butt, dude. All the different brands too. Dang, man. Here it is. Got the new Carburetor sort of set up. About to put it on and see how difficult that process is, and then go from there. Maybe, probably, yeah. So here we're looking at old spark plug versus new spark plug. I don't even know how that thing ran. Oh my goodness.